What's up guys? Kamusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI credit card annual fee. How does BPI credit card works and how to waive BPI credit card annual fee? So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng annual fee sa BPI credit card guys? Paano ito gumagana? At saka paano natin i-waive? Kumbaga paano i-refund yung naging charge na annual fee membership or annual membership fee sa BPI credit card natin. Saan tayo tatawag para ipa-reverse or ipa-refund yung annual fee na yon? Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, BPI credit card annual fees are charged yearly. From the word itself, annual. So ibig sabihin every year. Typically, starting in the second year or first year is usually free. Fees range from 1,320 to 5,500 pesos depending on the card type. You can waive them by meeting a minimum annual spend, requesting through the Vibe app, or using points. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito guys? Isa-isahin natin. BPI credit card annual fees are charged yearly. So, ibig sabihin, every year, right after ng anniversary ng credit card niyo sa BPI nung na-approve, kasi on the first year, as you can see, typically starting in the second year, first year is usually free. So, ibig sabihin, right after na mag-apply kayo, tapos na-approve. On the next year, kung anong petsa kayo na-approve ngayong taon or ngayong buwan, next year niyan, doon na mag-reflect kung magkano yung annual fee ng BPI credit card na yun na in-applyan ninyo. Fees range from 1,320 to 5,500 pesos depending on the card type. So yung starting annual fee or annual membership fee ni BPI credit card is 1,320 up to 5,500. Diyan siya nagre-range. Depende siya kung ano yung credit card na in-applyan ninyo or kung ano yung BPI credit card na na-approve sa inyo. You can waive them by meeting a minimum annual spend, requesting through the Vibe app, or using points. So when we say waive, kung paano ma-refund or ma-reverse yung chinarge na annual fee sa credit card ninyo. So tatawagan mo ngayon si Bangko para mag-request ng BPI credit card annual fee reversal or refunding your BPI credit card annual fee. So ngayon, ito yung step-by-step process guys kung paano i-waive or paano i-refund or paano i-reverse yung BPI credit card annual fee or BPI credit card annual membership fee. Meet spending requirements. Spend to waive, kumbaga. Use your card for regular purchases to meet a required annual spend, often specified in BPI's promotional campaigns. So the moment na nag-apply kayo ng credit card, guys, kung ano yung credit card na in-apply ninyo at na-approve, dapat aware kayo sa mga offers ni BPI. Para at least kung may binibigay silang spending requirements para ma-waive yung magiging annual fee ng credit card na yon, na kung anong meron kayo na credit card sa BPI, at least magawa ninyo kasi may spending requirements siya. Maging goal ninyo na, okay, ito yung gagamitin kong credit card sa BPI para ma-meet ko yung certain spending requirement para on the next year, kapag nagpa-waive ako ng credit card annual fee sa BPI, tumawag ako, ma-approve ka agad since gamit na gamit yung BPI credit card ninyo. Ganun yun guys, yung kailangan yung tandaan in using BPI credit card para ma-waive the moment na mag-reflect or para ma-refund yung credit card annual fee ninyo sa BPI the moment na mag-reflect at itawag ninyo. There's a reason to justify about using that BPI credit card has been approved to you. Key reminders. Waivers are generally processed 7 to 15 banking days from the request and will reflect on your next statement. So, key reminders lang guys na yung waivers, like for example, may BPI credit card points kayo, tapos ginamit mo yun para mabayaran yung annual fee ng credit card na yun. So, mapaprocess siya 7 to 15 banking days. Take note lang guys na banking days siya. Meaning, hindi kasama dyan yung holidays, hindi kasama dyan yung weekends. Kaya naman dapat maging aware kayo. From the day na nag-request kayo na i-refund or i-reverse yung BPI credit card annual fee or annual membership fee na nag-reflect sa statement of account ng BPI credit card ninyo. Then, mag-reflect siya on the next billing cycle. Doon mo yan makikita sa statement of account kasi ngayon okay na, nakapagbayad na kayo. Next statement of account, next billing cycle, doon na yan makikita sa transaction history. Waivers cannot be revoked or converted back to points once confirmed. So, kailangan nyo malaman guys na the moment you are requested for BPI credit card annual fee membership reversal or credit card annual fee waivers, make sure na dapat alam nyo guys na hindi na siya refundable kung points yung ginamit ninyo. Once processed, wala na kayong babalikan. Yun na yun. Kaya naman dapat maging aware kayo before kayo tumawag para mag-avail ng converting your BPI credit card points to pay your BPI credit card annual fee. Ensure the fee is already reflected on your statement before requesting a waiver. So make sure lang guys na before kayo tumawag doon, naka-reflect na doon sa account ninyo yung credit card annual fee para at least may reference, no? Kasi kung tumawag kayo doon tapos wala pa, ano ngayon yung ipapa-refund ninyo, ano yung ipapa-reverse ninyo, di ba? So tatawag na naman ulit kayo para magpa-reverse or magpa-refund if nag-reflect pa lang. How it works? So how does BPI credit card annual fee or annual membership fee works? So paano nga ba gumagana yung ang BPI credit card annual fee and ang BPI annual membership fee? Charging. The fee is automatically charged on your statement date on your card anniversary. So the moment you apply for a BPI credit card, tapos na-approve, wala munang charges yon. On the next year, on the anniversary date, doon pa lang yun magre-reflect kung ano yung maging statement of account. So doon pa lang yun magre-reflect. Kaya naman be aware kayo. Free first year. Most BPI credit cards, including Edge, Gold, and Platinum, are free for the first year. So kadalasan sa mga BPI credit card, guys, actually lahat naman ng credit card, free yung unang taon. On the next year, on the anniversary date, the date of approval, doon pa lang magre-reflect sa statement of account ninyo yung annual membership fee or annual fee. Supplementary cards. The first supplementary card is free for life, while subsequent cards are charged annually. So, ano ibig sabihin nito, guys? The moment na nag-apply kayo ng supplementary card sa BPI credit card principal card ninyo, yung unang taon is libre. Yung pangalawa, subsequent cards, di ba, okay na yung isa, na-approve na, no annual fee for life yon. Pag nag-apply ulit kayo ng supplementary card, may annual fee na yon. Take note lang guys na 50% ng annual fee ng principal credit card ninyo, yun din yung magiging annual fee ng supplementary BPI credit card ninyo. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Halimbawa, 3,000 yung annual fee ng principal credit card ninyo or yung mother card, magiging 1,500 yung annual fee ng supplementary card na yun right after the first free supplementary card. BPI points. Use your accumulated rewards points to pay for your annual fee. So, pwede nyo gamitin guys, di ba? Kung gamit na gamit ninyo yung BPI credit card ninyo, na inaipon na points, pwede nyo gamitin yung pambayad ng credit card sa BPI credit card annual fee ninyo or BPI credit card annual membership fee. No annual fee for life in AFFL promos. Participate in BPI Swipe and Save similar promotions to get a lifetime waiver. So, yung mga ino-offera nito guys is yung mga BPI Gold Rewards card holders. May swipe and save silang sinasabi, which is pwede nyo i-convert yung BPI Gold Rewards card na yun into no annual fee for life. Kaya naman dapat sabi ko sa inyo, aware dapat kayo sa mga promotions na ino-offer ni BPI para maka-join kayo at ma-enjoy ninyo yon. So yun lamang guys. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!